my name's Emma, and this is
Mr. Ilardi.
Obviously. And now Ilardi and I are going to race one length of the pool, a 25 free. So Ilardi, how you feeling?
I am regretting all my life choices currently. I don't know how I got to this moment, but I'm going to do my best.
You ready for this?
I had a pool growing up, and it was only 4 feet in a circle, so it's not quite the same, but I think I can do it.
You can move through the
It's
water?
not going to look good, but I can do it.
That's
I can do it, yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I feel like you're probably going to win. The audience seems to like you more than they like me. We doing it?
Yep.
All right.
Good luck.
Let's go. Good luck. Cheers.
Swimmers, are you ready? No. On your mark, get set, go!
So how'd that go?
Good job. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
You're the better swimmer. I am actually exhausted. Like, I'm way more exhausted than I thought from just one length of the swimming pool. About halfway, I stopped, and I was like, I'm out of breath.
Well, it was a sprint.
It was a sprint.
You did good.
You were much
form was
better.
there.
Thank you.
Like,
I trained a lot in my
the
youth
kiddie
for
pool
this.
really helped.
Thank you for allowing me to embarrass myself once again. I hope people really enjoyed watching this.
It was fun.
All right. Cool.
Stand up.